This new and noteworthy construction was proudly built by Kiracofe Homes. The Ashley 3 floor plan is complete with over 2,000 square feet, including 4 bedrooms and 2.5 baths. This ranch-style home is situated in the Bridgewater Golf Community Villas, an amazing community that's next to none. The mixed-media exterior creates visual interest that draws the eye with curb appeal. Heading inside, this home offers a spacious great room with cathedral ceiling, a floor-to-ceiling gas log fireplace, timeless rounded doorways, and the comforting ambiance of natural light. The open floor plan design leads straight into the kitchen, where you'll find the flush bar top, stunning quartz countertops, sizable cabinets, and pantry, along with stainless steel appliances to create the perfect recipe for your dream kitchen. The large laundry room offers laundry tub and folding area for ease of use. Another great feature of the mudroom just off of the 3-car garage, complete with storage lockers and access to the half bath. Escape the day in the master bedroom, where it's tray ceiling, large walk-in closet, and ensuite with walk-in shower and double vanities greet you. 2 additional bedrooms and a full jack and chill bathroom offer additional comfort and ease of use. A 4th flex room could be purposed as a bedroom, den, or office as needed to suit your lifestyle. Get some fresh air while lounging on the large covered front porch, or head out back to the covered patio with all the space for enjoying friends and family or just quiet relaxation with a good book. Are you interested in learning more about this fabulous home and the amenities that Bridgewater Golf Community has to offer? Take the first step and call Emily Ganshorn. She'll help you stride into your dream home with ease.